Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to make raw vegan cottage cheese. If you're enjoying the video, remember to like, comment and subscribe. All links and ingredients needed for the recipe are of course in the description below. We will start with putting in a blender soaked sunflower seeds. They should soak for at least 8-9 hours to get rid of the phytic acid. We add some lemon or lime juice, some water, we add some non-iodized salt, yeast flakes, and also some black pepper. We mix everything together. We put the mass in a bowl and put inside finely chopped radish. We can also add some dill and chives. We mix everything and it's ready! It's great with, for example, raw vegan bread. Bon appetit!